Okay, so every single morning, I literally just chop up a bunch of fruit and I put it together in like a cereal bowl. And that's been my favorite breakfast since I've been in Florida. I also like the way it looks. I don't know. It's pretty to me. So this is basically what it looks like. It's just a bunch of chopped melon, and then I put some cereal on top and Catalina Crunch, which is my favorite keto cereal, and then obviously nuts and seeds and cocoa nibs. And then I just pour my almond milk on top. So today on my list of things to do, I want to vlog the day, which I have not done that much of, but I'm going to be getting into. I got an amazing package with this gorgeous candle in the mail that I haven't opened yet, so I'm going to open that. I'm going to go through and film a Sephora favorites video, which I really am excited for, and I've been waiting for all my Sephora packages to come in so that I can get that filming. And then otherwise, I guess just try and take you through as much of the day as possible. It's like 9 a.m. now. So I went on a really long walk this morning because I had a panic attack. I had a panic attack because my TikTok got deleted at 90,000 followers. I can't even talk right now. That was devastating. So I cried from 3 in the morning. And I finally woke Jonas up at like 6:30 when the sun came out. Because I didn't want to wake him up before the sun came out. Anyway, that's devastating. So I need to figure that out. Okay, see you. So I decided to come out to the pool because I physically could not handle what's been going on today. I had my whole TikTok banned overnight without any warning. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't violate the guidelines. I've been emailing. I have submitted like help tickets. I've done everything I can, but I'm really panicking because it's like my whole life. It's like I've been working on it every single day for a year. So I guess I'll let you know kind of what happens there. I was planning on filming a YouTube video, like another one, a Sephora favorites, which I really hope I can get that done. But I'm just so nervous right now because I just don't understand really what's going on, you know? Okay, so I just finished filming my Sephora haul video of everything that I just picked up at the big spring 2021 sale. That video is going to be out. I don't know if it's going to be before or after this one, but check it out. And this is so exciting to me. So this is a PR box that I got from Thomson Ferrier, the candle company. The owner of this company, I found him on TikTok. He is insane. These things are so cool, and I'm so thankful for this. Like, this does not happen to me. So he sent me this. I'm going to be filming a TikTok at the same time while I'm unboxing it, and I just I'm so thrilled. So let's see how this goes. So as I'm opening this, I'm going to be describing what happened on my main TikTok, which had 90,000 followers on it. And the entire account was deleted in one day, like overnight, completely gone, permanently deleted. And they give you a chance to appeal the deletion the first time you log back in, which I of course did. And then the next time I logged back in, it said, we reviewed your appeal. It was also way too quick. It was like in, an hour or two. We reviewed your appeal and your account has been permanently deleted. You can never log back in. So I'm freaking out. I've seen that some people have been able to get back in after that kind of action has been taken. But honestly, it's like, that's terrifying to me. So I don't even know what to do. I mean, I have another TikTok. It's totally different and it has very few followers, but I'm going to be posting on there for now. I don't know. It's like literally, I'll keep you posted. It's like insane to me. Anyway, back to this. I can't wait. Okay. Oh my God, these are pink. I have to film a TikTok. Oh my God, it's huge. Whoa, how am I going to open this without getting all these little poppers everywhere? I'm going to need a garbage bag. Literally, look at the size of this thing. This is like compared to my head. I physically can't. I'm so excited about this. Oh my god, I'm so thankful. Wow, this is so incredible to me. I really know how to wrap this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this. Wait, this is so me. Rafi literally messaged me and he was like, what color do you want? And I said either silver or bronze. I think it's called gunmetal maybe, I'm not sure. And I'm so glad that I got this one. This is so sick. It's gonna look amazing. And it smells amazing. Look how big it is in there. It's huge. Okay, I'm gonna have to like repackage this and then film it for TikTok because that was overwhelming with all those little beans coming everywhere. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, so surprise, there has been a huge power outage. Our entire neighborhood has no power. So it's about to get really hot in here because again, we're in Florida and I don't know, we don't know what to do. So I think we're gonna go and explore a surf shop. I literally wasn't even gonna vlog anymore today because I'm so tired, but honestly, I guess this is perfect timing. Nothing else I can do now. So I think we're gonna go to a surf shop, get some dinner. I'm probably gonna bring some food with me. I've just had snacks all day. I've just had like one of those weird days. So I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. So power out, let's go. So it's 4:30. I was not gonna keep vlogging today because I'm so tired and I just passed out outside and there is a power outage. So yeah, crazy. I think we're gonna go and explore a surf shop and I guess get dinner out. But I've had so many snacks today, I'm like not even in the mood. I might just bring more snacks with me. Literally, this is so scary. All the streetlights are not working around here. So everyone is like trying to figure out what to do and no one knows when to go. It wasn't just our building, it's like the whole neighborhood. Whatever, still headed to the surf shop. Can't wait, whatever. So cool. Okay, we just got back from the surf shop. This has been like just such an exhausting day. I think I've changed my outfit also like 5 times. I didn't end up buying anything. I tried on a couple things. I just wasn't convinced, but I think I'm gonna sign off here. We are gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna go do some work, and otherwise I'll see you guys in my next video.